La 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 la.
सॉरी विकास जी, वो ज़रा एक मीटिंग में बिजी था।
हम लोगों ने इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान अपने परिवार के सदस्यों के साथ मिलकर 3-4 म्यूजिक वीडियोस भी बनाए हैं।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी आपने कुछ झलकियाँ देखी कि लोग अपना समय कैसे व्यतीत कर रहे हैं इस लॉकडाउन के समय में। आगे जैसे जैसे आप वीडियो बढ़ते चला जाएगा, आपको दिखेगा कई लोगों के एक्सपीरियंस इस लॉकडाउन में कैसे आता है। जहाँ तक मेरी बात है, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस अपनी लिखी हुई कुछ पंक्तियों के द्वारा आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। वक्त क्या होता है पता ही नहीं था, वक्त क्या होता है पता ही नहीं था, जिंदगी में सुकून मिलता कहाँ था। भागते जा रहे थे न जाने क्या पाने को, भागते जा रहे थे न जाने क्या पाने को, क्या छूट गया पीछे पता ही नहीं था। सिमट जाता है पूरा दिन, सिमट जाता है पूरा दिन एक चार दीवारी में, अब मकान घर लगने लगा है। बच्चों की नादानियां देख मज़े कर पाएंगे, ऐसा इस जीवन में तो सोचा नहीं था। एक डर नहीं सही हमें जीना सिखा गया, एक डर नहीं सही हमें जीना सिखा गया। रिश्ते क्या होते हैं उनकी कद्र बता गया। अपनों का प्यार ही सबसे बड़ी दौलत है, अपनों का प्यार ही सबसे बड़ी दौलत है। इस लॉकडाउन ने मुझे मुझसे मिला दिया।
विकास जी, यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में तो चीज़ें काफ़ी अच्छी नहीं हैं, केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, बट गवर्नमेंट पूरी कोशिश कर रही है। बट आई बिलीव कि ये सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट फोकस मैटर नहीं है, इसमें सेल्फ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी डालनी होगी। सो हमें भी हमारे साइड से काफ़ी मेजर्स लेने होंगे और सख्ती बरतनी होगी।
Hi, I am Amit. I live in Kamote, which comes under PMC. The situation of corona in our area is not that good. On an average, हर दिन लगभग 20 से 30 नए पेशेंट्स हो रहे हैं कोरोना के हमारे एरिया में। बहुत डिस्टर्बिंग है, इट्स रियली डिस्टर्बिंग। बट अच्छी बात भी है ये कि लगभग 20 से 30 लोग ठीक भी हो रहे हैं डेली, तो दैट इज़ रियली गुड कि रिकवरी भी रेट अच्छी है।
Hi Vikash, thankfully all of us are fine. I'm in Riyadh currently along with my family. It has been challenging not only for one particular place or region, it has been challenging for everybody in the world. So the story is the same across, be it US or Australia or Riyadh or India. The government here has done a very good job actually in controlling the coronavirus. They have been very proactive since the very beginning, so that was very helpful. And even on our part, we have been also very careful. We don't venture out much. We just go out to bring the essentials.
The COVID situation in my area, it's pretty bad. Every 6th or 7th building, there are either 1 or 2 cases in each building. In terms of the rules being followed during the lockdown, I would like to say that in certain areas it's pretty strict, but in certain it's very lenient. So I guess it should have been more strict, but somehow I feel like the hawkers should have been banned because they have been allowed throughout the day, whereas shopkeepers, they have a time limit of say around 5 p.m. in some days and 7 p.m. in another day. But if you see the hawkers, they are still there up to 9 p.m. So the chances of spreading the disease increases. So in terms of that, it's very lenient, but I'm happy that at least the rules have been followed up to a certain extent.
Hi, the COVID situation in my city is very bad. So the numbers are increasing day by day, and we are being under lockdown again from 14th of July. So it has been very struggling time, particularly for the kids who are not able to go to park anymore to play. So that's very bad. But at the same time, I think the people are also not very well aware. They should take care of all the precautions, and the masks should be worn every time when they are going out, which they are actually not doing.
I have restricted rather I would not say restricted, I have reduced my movement of going out, and have organized my work in such a way that I can work in my home and handle my entire work. Since last 115 days, I am with my family members, small family we have, and 24/7 we are together. So that is really interesting. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं था कि कभी ऐसा लाइव भी होगा हमारा, बट ये है, दिस इज अ फैक्ट. और जब आपके पास कुछ नहीं रहता है तो आप बहुत इनोवेटिव वे में कुछ सोचते हो. हम लोगों ने भी बहुत कुछ सोचा था, एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन हम लोगों ने अपना मैरिज भी बनाया. दैट वाज इन अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वे. वी डांस एंड डिड एवरीथिंग. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने हमारे बड़े पापा माँ का जो 50th मैरिज एनिवर्सरी था, विच वाज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर एवरीवन इन आवर फैमिली, उसको हम लोगों ने बहुत ही इनोवेटिव वे से ऑनलाइन सेलिब्रेट किया. उसके अलावा आई ऑल्सो गॉट एन हेयर कट. मेरा हेयर कट भी हुआ, एंड क्रेडिट गोज टू माई वाइफ खुशी. शी हैज डन अ गुड हेयर कट, एंड she makes various types of dishes during this lockdown, which is very interesting and very tasty. Now today she has made these rasgullas. Yeah, rasgulla is quite tasty, spongy and everything. You can see this. One of the most precious thing which I am doing during this lockdown is that I am giving lots and lots of time to my daughter Anishka. हम लोग इस लॉकडाउन के समय क्रिकेट के लिए बेसिकली ग्राउंड की ज़रूरत होती है, और ग्राउंड यहाँ पे अवेलेबल नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन में हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते. तो हम लोगों ने हमारे घर में ही जो थोड़े बहुत एरिया हैं उसमें ही इनोवेटिव वे में क्रिकेट को सीखना शुरू किया है. बैटिंग ड्रिल्स होते हैं, फील्डिंग ड्रिल्स होते हैं, कैचिंग ड्रिल्स होते हैं. तो इन दैट वे मतलब आई एन्जॉय लॉट टीचिंग हर. In fact, her online classes are also going on for cricket and all, but I like to guide her. What do you say?
Yes.
What is your experience about lockdown? Tell something.
Due to this lockdown, I am unable to go to the school, my cricket classes and my dance classes. It's sad, but मेरे मम्मी और पापा के साथ पढ़ने और सीखने का अलग ही मज़ा है.
Even the companies have now provided work from home, so even I work from home. Initially it was a little challenging, but now got used to it. At home there are many things which we didn't do before, and now we are doing. So I'm helping my wife in the household activities, which I've never done before. It was difficult initially, but now I sort of enjoy it. I do a little bit of cooking as well. In the evening we play some games. Netflix and Amazon Prime consumption has also increased. So now because we cannot meet people, interaction has been more with through the phone. But it's a new experience, but the bottom line is all of us are safe, and because of that we are really we should thank God.
अदर देन ऑफिस वर्क, अब एक नमूना तो आपने देख ही लिया कि घर पे मदद करना शुरू कर दिया है. उसके अलावा आप देखें तो पुरानी हॉबीज़ जो थी, जो रह गई थी, जो काम के चक्कर में वक्त नहीं मिलता था, सो आई हैव ट्राइड वर्किंग ऑन दोस. जैसे गिटार बजाना, फिर पोइट्रीज़ लिखना और किताबें पढ़ना. सो पहले क्या था कि ट्रैवलिंग में आप ज़्यादा टाइम निकाल नहीं पाते थे, बट अब वक्त है तो फिर उसका सही से इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Nextly, during all these 4 months, out of which mostly is work from home, So many of the myths related to meeting people in person in the professional world have been gone haywire. Lastly, for my hobbies, I have started getting reading books, which I was not finding any time to read pre-COVID days. But now I'm finding time to read books. Apart from that, I wasn't having time to watch the cartoon movies. I am a huge fan of anime series, so I'm finding time to watch the anime series.
During this time, it has been since we all are working from home, and you know that when we work from home and no maids are coming, you have to take care of several other activities also, which includes the cleaning of home, which includes the washing of utensils and taking care of it. So that has to be done. So and when you have both of the couple working, it becomes even more difficult, right? So how we plan to do is that I generally take care in the first half of the day, and my wife generally takes care in the second half or the late half of the day. With that addition, when the kids also schools goes, when there is an online class for the kid, that's another additional thing which you have to do, and that becomes even more difficult sometimes because you have to arrange the setups and everything. So it is very, very difficult, but having said that, they should also have their education, so it's very, very important for them also to go through that. The other things are good, okay. I hope sooner or later this will go, because there is nothing which doesn't end, right? So with that hope in mind and with that expectation, I hope one day this COVID-19 will go away and we all will be the same again, going to play, meeting people, having foods outside restaurants, going back to office, meeting friends, colleagues. Let's hope for the best.
Hope you are also doing fine, and looking forward to coming back to normal life and meeting you soon. Bye.
In terms of message to you all people, I would like to say be cautious where you touch. Don't touch any surfaces which is completely unknown to you. Keep washing your hands if you are at home, at least after every hour, and if you are out for any grocery shopping or any other personal work, I would request you to sanitize your hand as soon as you touch any unknown surface. Stay home, be safe.
विकास जी, मेरा सबको यही मैसेज होगा कि घर रहिए, सेफ रहिए, अपनों के पास रहिए। ये जो टाइम हमें मिला है फैमिली के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए, अपनों के साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए, उसका पूरी तरह से इस्तेमाल करें और सेफ रहें।
ऑलवेज स्टे पॉजिटिव, और कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, टेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट एंड एंजॉय द लाइफ, however and whatever way it comes, just enjoy it and be positive.
Yes, positive thinking is our best friend.
Yeah, always stay positive.
Yes.
ज़िंदगी की कश्मकश में खुद को भूल गया था, अब इस थमे वक्त ने मुझे मुझको मिला दिया।
Thank you for watching my video. My message to you all is same. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.